Hi everybody, it's Anne here from positivelypapercraft.co.uk and I'm back with another tutorial. And today I've got, I think for the first time ever, I've been doing this for 3 years. I've never ever made any baby things. I don't know, I just don't seem to bother with them really, but today I have got this absolutely adorable little baby onesie card. It's really easy to do and it just stands up like that, and I think it is absolutely gorgeous. And what I've done is I've just put some pretty pink lace on. These are just little circle punches that I've popped on in this beautiful like pearlescent paper, which is gorgeous. I put some lace on the arms and some little pearls to be like the little popper fasteners. Now inside we've got this gorgeous kind of angel wings with the little cute little baby inside, and that's what kind of inspired us to make something, you know, baby-fied. And these are the new dies from Alina, which I really wanted to use them. And I was a little bit worried because I thought, oh, I don't really make baby things, but now that I have, I just absolutely love that. So I'm going to show you how to make one. I've made obviously this one for a girl. We're going to do a baby boy one now. So that's an Alina bow as well, but I'll put all of the links in the description. And it is really easy to make. So I've got a few little bits here that I'm going to use. So the actual card for the onesie needs to be 5 1/4 by 11 inches. Alright, and we're just going to score it in the middle on the long side at 5 1/2 inches. When I get my little scoreboard out, so 5 1/2 inches on the long side. Okay, and then obviously that will give you the middle, and then I'm just going to fold and burnish it. Right, so we've got just a normal card. Now just take a pencil and a ruler. It's really easy, there's only a few little marks to make. So what you want to do, what is it again? So on the side here, so where we've got this here, we need to measure down for the arms, okay, on each side. So if you just take a ruler and your pencil and measure down to 1 1/4 inches and just mark it with the pencil. Do the same on this side, 1 1/4 inches. Okay, so you've got 2 little pencil marks at the side. Alright, and then what you want to do is on both of these sides you want to measure in 3/4 inch or 2 centimeters. So just draw a line 2 centimeters along. Okay, so you will end up with your 2 lines, and all you're going to do is from the end of those lines you are just going to draw a diagonal line straight down into the corners, and you're just going to cut that away with your scissors. So just like that, and obviously you can see that's going to create the shape of the little onesie card. There we go. And then I just cut it both together. I mean, I suppose you could use a craft knife and a ruler if you want to, and just literally follow up your pencil lines. Just take your time. Okay, and then we're just going to follow along. Like that, and do the same on this side. And there you go, that will give you the shape of your card. So to get the little neck and leg areas, I just took a 1 1/4 circle punch. This is a Stampin' Up punch. You can use a die as well, it doesn't have to be a punch. And all I did was I just popped it in just so the little point goes right to the edge of the punch, just like that. Alright, and then punch. Okay, same with the other one, just so the little point goes into the little corner, and then you tend to find you end up with them quite even like that. And then turn it round, and we need to punch the piece for the neck. So I take it about 3/4 of a way down. The same with your die, you would just lay it on 3/4 of a way and punch, and there you go, it's as easy as that. So to decorate it, what I've done is I have cut out, if I can find them, there they are. What I did was I took some of that pearlescent paper, and I'm just trying to find a piece for you here. So what I did was I took the same 1 1/4 punch, and I just punched a hole out, okay? And then I took some layer and circle dies, so it would need to be a few sizes bigger than that hole, and then I just popped it on and ran it through the machine, and then when it comes out you get that, okay? And then you can cut them in half and use them to go around the little legs and the neck. So just cut them in half, and they just go on like that, so you will get both legs out of one, and then you've got one left for the little neck piece. Okay, so we'll just quickly glue them on, really easy. And if there's any little, actually I'll just put it on to the actual card, and then I know I'm not getting it all over the place. And if there's any hanging over, you can just cut that off with your scissors. Like if it's too long, which it is a little bit here, we'll just trim it off. Okay, so that is the little leg areas done. And then we've just got the piece to pop on the little neck. This one's actually pretty much a perfect fit, really. And I suppose if you wanted to, you could also do the back. Just for the video I'm not going to bother, but yeah, just go along and just snip any bits off that are too big. Really easy. Isn't that gorgeous? So cute. And then this time I've got some beautiful blue lace. Somebody sent me this, I can't remember who, but it's absolutely gorgeous. And what I'm going to do is just cut a piece, okay, and I'm going to attach it onto the middle of the onesie. Now this is amazing for gluing, like, you know, fabric and ribbon and stuff, fabric tack. I think I got this from either Amazon or eBay. It's amazing. It sticks it so well. So I'm just gonna pop Some you don't need loads either, just a little bit, and you just find it just holds it really well, and it doesn't like make a mess or anything. Really like this. So that's what I'm using to attach the lace. So I'm just going to pop it roughly about there, and then obviously I can just trim the rest off. Okay, and then what I did was I just trimmed it in half, and I ended up with a couple of little pieces which I want to actually pop these on the end of the arms. So I'm just going to put a little bit of the glue straight on the paper. You only need a little bit, and then pop this here. And again, I will just trim the sides when it's a little bit drier. Yeah, really good glue that. I think you can use it for like paper as well. I think you can probably hear Ari again having a good talk away there. Right, so just trim the sides, and then you will just have your little piece of lace hanging over. But you could just use paper again, you know, like similar to what I've done. You could just cut a fancy little shape out if you've got a punch or anything like that. And then again with the lace, we're just going to snip the sides away, what we don't need. We end up with that, and I think that is absolutely adorable. So this time what I'm going to do is the angel wings and the little baby. I've cut them out again with that lovely pearlescent paper, and this time we're going to have them on the front of the little onesie instead of on the inside. I've cut the little baby out, okay, and this is the die. You get the wings, the baby, this is a dress, that's a nappy, like a little headband and some little butterfly and flowers. Now you can have two choices. You can have a little nappy, which I just cut out to show you, or you can have a little dress. So I think this time I'm just going to put the little dress on. Okay, so we are going to glue the wings on. Beautiful die. And I mean, you don't just have to use it for like baby themed cards or whatever. You could use it for all sorts of things, and you can also have them turned the other way as well. You don't just have to have them facing this way. Okay, and then we've got our little baby, so we're going to glue the little baby on. So cute. So we're going to glue him there, and then we've got his little blue dress. It doesn't really matter what you dress babies in, does it, when they're newborn? Okay, really, really cute. And this little nappy, I tried it as a hat, but I don't know, I think it looks a little bit funny. Maybe if I could cut it more rounder, you could maybe get away with using that as a hat. Okay, gorgeous. And then this time, instead of the pearls, I'm going to put 3 little diamond hearts along the bottom. I'm just going to start with one in the middle, Okay, and then just space them out. Like so. And then inside this time I have got this adorable little PRAM die, which is another a new Alina die. This one here, and we're going to have the little PRAM inside, I think, just to make it a little bit different. And I cut it out of that beautiful pearlescent card again. Just a little bit of glue on there. Oh, I think it's going to rain. And then we'll glue that down. It's out the way. I think they are absolutely gorgeous. I think, you know, anyone, you know, who's having a baby, I think, or had a baby, they would be over the moon with them. So pretty. And like I say, I will put all of the links in the description of the video, and I will do a blog post as well. So I hope you've enjoyed it, something different from me, but I absolutely love them. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.